record for this. So Trump, um, official Trump is now has an official crypto as a president and launched a day ago, which is actually today. It's 1:18, but that's United States time. So, which is actually just a few hours from now, and it's now 604% increase just minutes from its listing. So, it's now listed here in what's this, Bybit, and you can see that here it's Trump. So you can now trade Trump on Bybit, and you can also trade it on BitGet and several more exchange to follow. But what happened to Trump MAGA coin? This one I was stressed because this actually goes down to 80 peso. But this is the MAGA Trump. This is no longer available in the exchange, and you can no longer see that. Sorry about my voice. We can no longer see that on the Coins PH. So it's gone technically. But yeah, I was able to buy that in here. I actually invested several dollars already. And you can actually use bot to trade with this. So this is the Trump MAGA coin, which is already gone. I don't know what happened to coins user. What happened to them? Are they being refunded or whatever? I don't know. Uh, it seems that it has been delisted, so I don't know where you can trade this anymore. But it's probably did migrate to official uh, official Trump. I don't know what happened behind the scene, but we have two coins now, which is Trump. And now this is what I predicted several months ago, that the Trump will become an official coins of the president, which is happening now, and it's now raised a 640% increase from $5. So it's now 1,000 in peso. Let's see here. Started from 250 when it first listed on January 18. It's now 1,700, and it keeps on increasing. So hopefully we see that it's a day before Trump become the official president of the United States. Congratulations to him. And yeah, that's just it. I don't know what happened to coins because Trump is gone. So just keep in touch with your with Coins PH to see what happened there. But yeah, Trump is now available for us to trade with Bybit and BitGet, and don't forget to like and follow and use my referral codes below. Thank you again for watching. See you more on crypto. I'm trading this. It's increasing. I'm using a bot actually to trade with this. So yeah, hopefully we get more money from this one. It's actually new listing also. It says here Trump USDT. Okay. Listing timeline. Trump deposit already open. Listing trading comments once liquidity requirements are. Trump withdrawals January 19. Deposit and withdrawals will be available by Solana Network. And That's why Solana blew up because of this. And by USDT, make fiat. Okay. Anyway, please click on my referral. If you don't have accounts yet on Bybit or BitGet, I'll put my referral links below. Thank you for watching.